So we want to review the concepts that we covered in class for this first section 3.1. In this section we did two things. We first defined a statement and looked at what was a statement and what was not a statement. So remember as the definition that a statement is a sentence that has a truth value of true or false. Okay, so I'm going to just go through a couple of examples for statements with you. So the first one that we have says that Josh arrived on time for the meeting. Now that is a statement because it's either true or false. I don't know which one it is. It doesn't really matter. Maybe he did, maybe he didn't. But it is either a true statement or it is a false statement. The second one that we have as an example for a statement is it rained this morning. Again, that is either true or false, and therefore that makes it a statement. The car is red. Again, either your car is red or it's not. So that's either true or that's false. That makes it a statement. The restaurant closes at 10. That is either a true statement or a false statement. So as long as your sentence has a definite truth value of true or false, then that makes it a statement. And then finally, 4 times 6 is equal to 24 is a statement. In class, we talked about the cases that don't represent statements. And we talked about that it was sometimes easier to note the exceptions, the things that are not statements, and eliminate those. For example, questions. Questions are never statements. So, for example, will you be attending the show tonight? When does the bus show up? If you have a question, it is never a statement. Opinions are not statements. Math class is always the best class. Onions are icky. Those are people's opinions. They are not statements. Commands are not statements. Do not go in there. Let it go. Those are not statements. And then we talked about in class, we talked about nonsense sentences like rock goose turnpike sour or the up pout to balance gravy, things that don't make any sense. Nonsense sentences are not statements. And finally, we talked about paradox sentences. And we talked about how these were things that kind of seemed to talk in a circle, like the secret is that the secret can never be revealed to anyone. Okay, paradox sentences are not statements. The second thing that we worked on in class for this section was to talk about the negation of a statement. So remember that the negation changes the truth value. So if the original statement was true, then the negation makes it false. Or if the original statement was false, the negation makes it true. And usually we can write a negation by adding the word not into the original statement. So like for part A, the house has a basement. The negation would be the house does not have a basement. And so we just add the word not into that statement. For part B, it already has the word not in the original statement. So to get the negation, we're just going to take that word out. So batteries are not included. For the negation, we're going to say that batteries are included. For the part C, x plus 6 equals 22. We're going to write x plus 6 does not equal 22. And you can either write that out in words or you can put a slash through the equal sign. So just because I'm typing, I'm going to write it out in words. But in class, we wrote the slash through the equal sign. The last one says the radio is off. So you could either write the radio is not off, or you could write the radio is on. And either of those would be fine for the negation. So those are the two concepts that we covered in this first section.